American Water Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. American Water is one of the largest water utility companies in the US, but most people get this wrong. They assume pricing is inconsistent or overly complicated. The surprising truth is that American water rates are structured and regulated to provide transparency and reliability. Residential customers typically pay a base service charge plus a variable rate based on water usage. You won't believe how the tiered structure works. Higher consumption leads to higher rates, encouraging conservation while keeping bills predictable. For example, the first 50 gallons per month might cost one rate, while additional usage is billed at a slightly higher rate. Commercial and industrial customers have similar tiered pricing but with larger volume considerations and sometimes negotiated contracts for high volume usage. Most people get this wrong by ignoring the impact of usage tiers, which can make a significant difference in monthly bills. In conclusion, American water pricing is transparent, regulated, and usage-based. By understanding base charges, consumption tiers, and potential fees, you go from zero to pro in managing water costs effectively while ensuring reliable service.